can we do? Tell them to keep it down, that's what. Your problem, huh? Pardon, j'ai pas envie d'avoir d'histoire dans cette cité-là. Let them be, you know? You know how those girls behave. Chantal, so you expect us to suffer their nonsense in silence? Sometimes that's the best solution. Oh, sorry. I'm going back to sleep. Can you sleep with all that noise? I'm going to try. You should too. Get some sleep. Sake, Neka, turn down the music. I haven't slept a wink. I did, but the girl just won't understand. This is your room, you're in country. Tell them something.
Well, this situation is out of my control. This is Ijoma's room.
What is going on here? What did happen here? And you? What are you doing here? I don't remember inviting you.
I am so sad that I wasn't invited to the party of the year. Can you turn down the music? See, I'm trying to sleep here.
Oh my God. Can you imagine the nerve of this girl? You want me to turn down my music? Really? Girls! Is the music too loud? Aha! There you go. So my dear, I definitely will not turn down the music.
Joma, are you really going to play this game with me right now? See, all I ask is that you turn down the music so I can have a good sleep and be alive in the morning. Mama, I'm so sorry. Please, I'm terribly sorry about this.
Oh no, you're not sorry. What are you sorry for? Listen, if you know you can't handle music, my friend, go hang yourself or jump into the moving train. What is this?
Joma, I've had enough of you. All of you. See, you people walk around here like you own the place, but guess what? You don't. You are just ordinary wannabes who have nothing better to do with your time. So you know what? Have fun at your noisy little party. The warden will hear of this in the morning.
Oh, cry, baby. You think we don't know what you do? Oh, you go about carrying, closing up and down into people's affairs. You think we don't know what you do? Oh, you think we don't know what you do? Oh, shame. ACDC girl.
What did you just say?
Oh, you heard me. ACDC girl. I said it. Didn't you hear me?
I'm really sorry.
It's alright.
I'm very sorry.
It's okay. I won't waste any more of my much needed sleep time on trash. Have a good life.
Did she just call me trash? No. She called me trash. Okay. No, we'll go see who'll be trash. No, let's go. What is it?
I'm so proud to be a baby boy. You're such an amazing toy. Me promise you. Everybody hustle.
Rama, wake up, it's morning.
Go away.
Okay, but I'm just letting you know I'm stepping out to get a few provisions. Do you need anything?
Please let me sleep, Chantal.
Sorry, are you okay?
I'm fine, my fault. Hey Chantal, what's up?
Oh, thank God you're up. Can you come down and help me bring my things up? Please, the bag is really heavy.
Why did you buy the whole supermarket? Oh, very well then, I'll be down in a minute.
Thank you.
So why didn't you get your handsome boyfriend to come and help you carry this thing? Look,
You know Yofi's not my boyfriend. It was just a momentary lapse, that's all.
really, l'enfant terrible.
Fallait toi, tu te tais, tu me fais.
Oh, whatever.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, darling. I guess you should be on your way now, right?
Sure.
Okay.
We forgetting something here?
Oh, sorry, my bad. I love you, sweetheart.
Okay, say it again with my name.
Okay. I love you. William, I love you, William.
I love you too, Ichoma.
Okay, so I'll see you later. Okay, what is it?
Nothing, I just want to use your washroom.
Now?
You trying to get rid of me or something?
No, come on. How can you say that? I told you I have a test tomorrow, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so I needed to read, and concentrate. But it's fine.
Okay, good luck with that.
You still go. Take it up.
Are you okay? Never been better.
Hey, Teddy! You're here so early.
But this is the time I usually come here.
Yes, don't mind me. You handsome devil. You couldn't wait for mommy's candy, right?
I missed you so much. Come here.
I miss you too. You just come with me, eh? Oh, come on. Just come with me. There's some pretty ladies dying to meet you.
Ijoma. Oh, sorry.
Girls, meet my juicy Teddy, my one and only. Teddy, my girls.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
And I'll see why she's been talking about you.
Really?
Should I get you guys a drink? I mean, we have lots from yesterday.
My Teddy, It's a Guinness, man.
Okay, chilled Guinness coming up.
Thank you. That must be William.
What?
Yes, my plumber.
Oh.
Yes, I actually asked him to fix my toilet, you know? So let me just go see him off and pay. Yeah, I love you, right? Yes, you know I love you. Girls, please take care of my boo-boo for me, eh? I love you. Yes. William!
Yeah.
Are you here?
Yeah.
I just came to inform my ladies not to start our meeting without me.
Oh, okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. So...
Can we go? Let me just see you off, okay?
Really?
Yeah. You know?
I see you found her.
Oh, yes, so thank you so much
You're
for your
welcome.
help. I'll see you around.
See ya.
Okay.
You know, you shouldn't have done what you did. That was over the top. Franchement, moi, je trouve que c'est pas cool de ta part. Well, she called me a whore. And I had to show her that she was the whore, not me. Can you play two hot guys like that? Excuse-moi, mademoiselle. That's rich coming from you. You know, I just don't want to get involved in any hostel drama. It's going to get really bad if you don't stop. What did you expect? That I'll lie down for them to walk all over me? Do I look like a doormat? There's no need you picking unnecessary fights. You must learn to rise above that if you want to be called a lady. And suddenly I'm not a lady? Ah, whose side are you? Oh, come on, je suis de ton côté, Rama. Rama, reviens, on parle, non? Franchement, j'en ai marre de cette histoire d'hostel.
Ijoma.
Nick, not now, okay? How is it?
He's not wiser. The question is, how can you keep this up?
Nneka, no judge me, oh. Don't judge me. You see that Rama girl, eh? She don't die finish today. Can you imagine she actually sent William here?
What?
Mo they go. No worry, Mo just go. Now her dead body will go here for this place.
But how? How?
Why?
Typical. Leave some for me. Don't take all.
Asem sebe. That Ijoma girl is good, oh. Hey, she's good, Papa.
What do you mean?
Two-timing bitch.
Language, Echan.
Go from so. I mean, she's stringing the guys along. It's not even 10 a.m. Get number 2.
Echan.
I saw it in full color. In full glare. And even a near collision. Rama choked her.
It gets better.
I'm telling you. Rama
Madam Echan. Information merchant. What are you selling today?
It's going on. Ijoma the cheat. Rama the instigator.
What is she talking about?
Why are you asking what I'm talking about? I am telling you that you're asking me. Just if they're asking what I'm... What do you know what I'm talking about?
There you are.
Oh, hey.
Listen, I'm looking for Ijoma.
Okay. Just, she went this way. Just go like this. And look for count folders. In 206.
Alright, listen. Here's my card.
Oh, thank you.
Touch.
Alright.
What? Shameful behavior.
On whose part?
Both. Now, listen. For Ijoma, we know her. It's in her DNA. She will never change. And dear, I pity the man. What betide that man? Nah, but seriously, if I'm going to change, that's a Rama girl. I wouldn't put her down for such a low blow like that.
No. Hey, no, don't say that. As I know her very. What did you say? It's in her DNA. I know her very well. She's a snake. She can do it. I'm telling you, she can do it.
Icha, keep this to yourself. If Ijoma gets wind of this.
Excuse me. Are you where? Go.
Oh, coward. Maka.
Won't you say something? Wow, tu es toute belle. Merci. What are you up to?
Research.
Really?
Yeah.
You have that enfant terrible look. I got my eyes on you.
Nothing going on, Chantal. Come on.
Got the message?
No, what message?
Earthquake warning! Come on, Ali! Where's you?
Hey, what is punishing my console?
Cause your name, yeah, we can go much further.
VVIP. Send a dog a do.
Bashigi. Orororororo. Orororororo, yeah. Orororororo. Orororororo, yeah. Make her enter Kolo. Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make her enter Kolo.
Pass me the palm wine.
Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody. Make you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling. Is it sexual healing? Or you feeling irate? This what we dey do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go.
Somebody enter Kolo.
And you never see.
Make I enter, make I go ahead. And if you know they feel my matter, Charlie, make you go away. I no get time, way I just go on through the way. So make I boss a lyric, we go enter into your head. Kumbaya.